Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to mute someone on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to mute someone on Instagram, first open up Instagram app, and now there are 2 or 3 ways you can mute someone from on Instagram, guys. Now you can mute your 2 or 3 things, guys. Either you can mute their post and stories, or you can mute their calls or messages. So we'll be just proceeding with all of them. You can just mute the person whom you want to. If you don't want to view the story or post, by tapping on, you can see the stories available for us, guys, on the Instagram. Tap and hold on the person whom you want to mute, and this kind of menu will appear at the bottom from the story section, guys. Over here you can see, and simply tap on the mute button over here, and you can either choose to mute stories or mute stories and post both together. That's on you. And let's tap on the cancel. Another way we can do this is, let's go to the messenger section of the Instagram. To do that, let's tap on the messenger icon at the top right corner of the screen, and over here tap and hold on the chat box of the person whom you want to mute, where we can see there is the mute messages and calls option available for us. Tap on mute messages, and you can see there is the until I change it option available for us. You can tap on there and that person will be muted. And you can see, guys, you can also unmute it from over here. You can mute calls as well. You can tap on the change until you want it. You can also customize that settings which you have muted by going to their account, tap on their name, and you can see the unmute button available for us. Tap on over here and you will find the muted calls and messages. You can also mute them from over here, and similarly you can tap on until I change it, or the time until when you will be muting him. So with that being done, guys, this is how to mute someone on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.